Former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren has approached the Supreme Court challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. In fact, Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal, along with Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, mentioned the matter before a bench led by the CJI, who agreed to hear the matter tomorrow. This comes after the Jharkhand High Court had adjourned the case for tomorrow. And on the other hand, right before the arrest, Soren, in a video address, revealed that he had anticipated the arrest by the ED. Major development this coming in from Jharkhand, where Hemant Soren versus ED saga continues to play out. Jharkhand, of course, all set to get its new chief minister. Meanwhile, the outgoing chief minister has now approached the Supreme Court challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, this is, of course, in connection with the land scam, which Hemant Soren had been served a notice for several times, but he continued to miss the notice, following which a date was finalized. That was January 31st, and that is when the ED questioned Hemant Soren for several hours, and after that he was arrested.
On the basis of complaint dated 4/5/23 by respondent number 2 and on direction of Deputy Commissioner Ranchi, FIR was registered at the instance of circle officer, and he also says that the aforesaid FIR was instituted on the basis of information provided by ED under section 66(2) of PMLA by the order of Deputy Commissioner Ranchi, and he has cited a series of procedure errors, saying that, and asked the Supreme Court to immediately hear his petition wherein he has challenged his arrest, and also raised several grounds like that, and his prayer is that allow the present application for amendment of the present petition as mentioned in para 5. So in a way, his petitions, almost all the grounds cited, in fact, is the ground cited in the High Court, but he had not secured a urgent hearing in High Court. In fact, Hemant Soren's legal team had sought an urgent hearing yesterday itself before the Jharkhand High Court, but since they did not get an urgent hearing and get the arrest stayed, today they have rushed to Supreme Court and have challenged the arrest itself. Kapil Sibal has said that there were several procedural errors in the way Soren was arrested, and has challenged it and said that there are far-fetched implication on the polity as investigating agencies were being misused by the centre regarding several opposition leaders. Enforcement Directorate is being misused by the government to target opposition leaders, and said that this issue is very serious. At the same time, Additional Solicitor General S.B. Raju said that the charges against him are also serious. Allegations are very serious. So at this juncture, the Chief Justice intervened and said that keep your powder dry, hold your ammunitions. All these arguments you can furnish tomorrow when the matter is taken up tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Back to you.
आज मुझे ईडी गिरफ्तार करने आई है। दिन भर हमसे पूछताछ करने के बाद, समय बिताने के बाद, सुनियोजित ढंग से मुझे गिरफ्तार करने का उन लोगों ने फैसला सुनाया। और किस विषय पर? ऐसे विषय पर जो चीजें मुझसे जुड़ी ही नहीं है, कहीं सबूत नहीं मिला। दिल्ली में भी इन लोगों ने छापे मारकर हमारी जो छवि खराब करने की कोशिश की। जोहार। और कल सुबह अखबार के माध्यम से, टीवी चैनलों के माध्यम से संभवतः आप सब लोगों को इस बात की खबर होगी कि आज हेमंत सोरेन गिरफ्तार हो गया, और हमारे जो विरोधी लोग हैं वो अपने नापाक इरादे पर जो अभी कामयाब हो रहे हैं, इस पर अपना पीठ थपथपाएंगे। और मैं जानता हूं झारखंड की जनता काफी संवेदनशील है और कर्मठ है, और हम अपनी ईमानदारी के साथ अपनी लड़ाई को जारी रखेंगे।
Had Hemant Soren joined the NDA, there would have been a different scene. He would have been washed through BJP's washing machine. You notice the rhyme between scene and machine. The BJP friends has established the world's most world-renowned university on an all-India basis, which gives only PhDs and postdoctorals on one theme alone: how to topple elected governments, how to convert majorities into minorities, how to encourage defections. I think it is a sad day for India. I am not speaking about the court and the legal aspects of this matter, since I am appearing as counsel and the matter has been kindly fixed by the Honorable Supreme Court for tomorrow.
Telangana, in Hyderabad, this is what my sources have been suggesting so far. We are at this location where the preparations have been done, the buses are ready, and it is very important to be seen that by what time the MLAs will start moving towards these buses. The bus is being cleaned, and the staff, the security staff of all the MLAs are also assembled there. Just a short while back, I spoke to the next Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Mr. Hemant Soren. He said that we are waiting for the response from the governor's house. When I asked him that whether Kalpana Soren could have become the Chief Minister of the state, he said that it is totally the party's decision, sir, but certainly we are waiting for the call from the governor. But if you see, Madhav, when Hemant Soren resigned from the position, ideally someone should have been made the acting chief minister or the temporary chief minister of the state. But at this stage, the state is in I would say in a state of flux, because no one knows that who is the head of the state. The chief minister is not the head of state. He has been arrested. He has already resigned. There is no call for the MLAs to come and appoint their leader. There is no call from the governor's side either to to announce that President rule has been imposed in the state of Jharkhand. So no one is heading the state of Jharkhand. It's certainly something which can be seen after looking at the legal process, which ideally should have been followed in this case.
Moving on now, the Aam Aadmi Party has moved the top court, challenging the Punjab and Haryana High Court order, refusing to stay the result of Chandigarh mayoral election. Now, yesterday, Punjab and Haryana High Court had refused to stay, in fact, grant any interim relief to the Aam Aadmi Party on its plea for settling aside the Chandigarh mayoral poll results. However, the High Court has in fact sought a response from the Chandigarh administration and the municipal corporation within 3 weeks. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party, on the other hand, has also planned a protest on February 2nd in the national capital against the BJP. The India bloc has also alleged that the elections that were conducted have been rigged. On that note, let's slip into a short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.